Hi, Eve. For these questions that you got wrong, right here, when you combined 2y and plus 4y, you did the inverse, but these are on the same side of the equal sign. So that should be 6y. The only time you do the inverse is if you're moving across the equal sign. Okay? Here, you forgot to do 3 times 7. So this would be 21 right here. Okay, so you need to remember to distribute 3x, and then 3 times 7 would be 21. Here, I can't really read your writing right here. We did this one together. It would be 2p minus 10, and then 12 minus 10 would be 2, okay? And then this says plus 2, so you subtract 2. Negative 6 minus 2 more would be negative 8. And negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Okay? Let's look at the next page. Right here, you would subtract 3c like you did here, and you would get negative 8c. And then when you divide negative 32 divided by negative 8 would be positive 4. This minus right here, if I did the add up property, would make this negative 32. You can look to the left and see, oh, that's negative. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. Here, you've got negative 4, and then you add 4, and you get negative 32. That's correct. And then you brought more things to the same side as the constant. So if you're bringing this minus 4 to the right, then you need to bring the variable to the opposite side. So then you would be doing minus 7y, so you would get negative 8y. You can't bring everything to the same side. You have to bring the constants to one side and the variables to the opposite. Okay, so for this one, you would get, let's see, you would get 32 here, and then you'd get negative 8, so negative 32 and negative 8, so the answer would be negative 4. So you need to move things to the opposite side of the equal sign. Constants to one side, so constants on the left, and, variables on the left, and constants on the right, opposite sides.